What's up YouTube? I'm bringing y'all back with another video. As you can see in the title, it's gonna be about my SRT hood today. I'm picking it up finally. I've been there for a month. And before I started, I just want to say thank you everyone for the subscribers. We reached over 100 subscribers in less than 2 months starting the channel. I appreciate that. And I just want to say I'm gonna continue bringing y'all more videos. So y'all stay tuned. And yeah, I'm gonna be heading over to the shop and I'll see you in a bit. I just got here to pick up my hood. And look what I saw in that clean ass Camry right there. And that Hellcat over there. I'm gonna go a little closer to show you. It's clean.
In 500 feet, turn right onto West 23rd Street, West 23rd Street Trafficway.
Alright, see ya in a bit. Alright, you two, I just got back from the shop. This is the hood right here. I'll show you a better view in a bit. And that's for anyone that's trying to get their hood painted, you know, at the same color as their car and everything. This is where you look at the paint, you know, the color type. There it is, right here. Paint PR3, that's for my car, Tour Red. So if anyone that, you know, want to get painted at the same color as their car, that's where you look at. And then to take the stock hood off, you just gotta take this tool bolt right here and on the other side. But before you take it off, make sure to, you know, take this cover off and unplug the, you know, the windshield fluid, and then you go from there. I'll see you in a bit. All right, there it is. I just got the factory hood off. Quick and easy. Just make sure to take off the windshield fluid, you know, disconnect the wire, the hose first, then start unscrewing the bolt. That'll make it easier. And there's the car. I'm gonna show you the SRT hood in a bit. All right, here's the hood, y'all. It's been sand, paint, and polished right here. No, they took the air vent off for me. I guess it's fine. Yeah, Hellcat, shit clean. Nice. Damn. Shit clean. Alright, YouTube, here's the final result. Take your spin around. Look at the sides. Ooh, I love it. What the? It's the front right here. It looks much better. This is like the gaps. Not a huge gap, but it's good. Haven't fully tightened up yet. Shit clean. Oh yeah, when you buy the hood, it does come with full bolt, 14mm. So yeah. Damn, shit nice. Alright, here's the inside view. And for the windshield washer fluid, you do gotta drill a hole to it just to connect it, but I won't do that no more. I'm just gonna tuck it in somewhere. And here's the air vent, you know, the air comes into the intake. There. Extra 10 horsepower. You feel me? Oh, it looks nice. The paint turned out very well, just how I liked it. Alright, y'all. There goes the hood right there. And I just want to say thank you again, y'all, for subscribing and watching and staying tuned. Let me know down in the comment what you guys think. And I'm bringing more content for you. And I won't go over the price in total. So the hood alone, I got it from the Armor hood. You're looking at $700 with you know, shipping fees and everything. And for the painting, I got mine done for $700 as well. So you're looking at 1.4 in total. But go ahead and shop around for the painting area. You know, you could find a better deal than I did. But yeah, I say go for it. It looks very nice. I love it. Most people will go with black. It might be a little cheaper, but I don't know. But I just wanted to, you know, to match my car and everything, because I've been seeing too much red and black. Because yeah, I didn't want to, you know, get that. But I love how it looks. I mean, it turns out. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm gonna bring you more videos. And I just want to say thank you again for watching, y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.